My name is Jamie Randall with Restoration Marketing Group. I was around the $10,000 a month mark, and now we're at $87,000 a month. Man, I mean, Josh and Yesenia, it's a great environment. You become the 5 people you hang around most, and there's so many talented and smart people in this group. And the resources on everything you need to grow and scale an agency are in the group. So everything you need is here to go from wherever you're at to the next level in your agency. You can pay for speed, right? Instead of trying to figure out for yourself, it could take 10 years, right? You could be fumbling around, or you can hire coaches and mentors and get there 10 times faster, or maybe even faster than that. So I mean, I highly recommend it. It is an amazing group, and most smart business owners have some sort of coach, mentor who's been there, done that to help expedite the process for them. I mean, the relationships and friends, like I have a lot of friends in this group now, and we always catch up, and it's nice to be around like-minded people who are going through what you're going through, and you can kind of help mastermind and help each other solve each other's problems.